If you want to wake up with more muscle, then I am gonna show you exactly which 4 vitamins you should take at night to rebuild muscle overnight. But also avoid these 2 vitamins that actually will cause muscle loss. The first vitamin is vitamin D. And the reason why you want to take this is because you see, especially as we age, we start losing muscle and gaining fat. And it's mainly due to this hormone called myostatin is a hormone that's produced by your body that prevents the growth of muscle tissue. The problem is, as you get older, your levels of myostatin increase, which causes you to lose muscle. Now, what does vitamin D have to do with this? Well, a study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that higher levels of vitamin D were associated with lower levels of myostatin. In other words, the more vitamin D you have in your body, the less myostatin you have, which means you can gain more muscle. So to boost your vitamin D levels, you can either take a supplement or you can get more sun exposure during the day. The second vitamin is vitamin B6. This is important for building muscle because it helps with the synthesis of new muscle proteins. It does this by boosting the levels of a growth hormone called IGF-1, which is very similar to insulin. And this was proven in a study on rats, where they found that if you give rats more vitamin B6, their IGF-1 levels go up, which leads to more muscle being built. And another study on humans found that people who exercised and took vitamin B6 for 8 weeks had significant increases in lean body mass compared to those who didn't take the vitamin. The third vitamin is vitamin K2. You see, when you work out, your body experiences a lot of stress, which can lead to inflammation. And chronic inflammation is bad because it can prevent muscle growth. This is where vitamin K2 comes in, because vitamin K2 has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce muscle damage and speed recovery. A study on mice found that vitamin K2 prevented muscle damage after strenuous exercise. And another study on humans found that taking vitamin K2 for 8 weeks improved recovery from heavy weight training. And the fourth vitamin is vitamin A. This is important for muscle growth because it helps with protein turnover rate. Protein turnover rate is the rate at which your body breaks down and synthesizes protein. And this is important for muscle growth because if you have a high protein turnover rate, it means that your body is breaking down and synthesizing protein at a fast rate, which leads to more muscle being built. A study on rats found that if you give them more vitamin A, their protein turnover rate increases, which leads to more muscle being built. Now that you know which vitamins to take to help you build muscle, let's talk about which vitamins you need to avoid if you want to prevent muscle loss. The first one is vitamin E. You see, vitamin E is an antioxidant that can help reduce muscle damage. That's actually good, right? Well, yes, but only if you don't have too much of it. The problem is that most people get way too much vitamin E from their diet and supplements, which can lead to a condition called hypervitaminesis. Symptoms of hypervitaminesis E include muscle weakness, tremors, and ataxia, which is a lack of muscle coordination. These symptoms occur because too much vitamin E interferes with other antioxidants in the body, which leads to oxidative stress and damage to the nervous system. And the second vitamin to avoid is niacin. Niacin is a type of vitamin B3, and it is known for its ability to boost HDL cholesterol levels, which is considered the good cholesterol. However, there are some negative side effects associated with taking niacin, especially if you're taking it in doses higher than 100 milligrams per day. Some of these side effects include liver toxicity, muscle pain, and joint pain. These symptoms occur because high doses of niacin interfere with the body's ability to metabolize fats, which leads to a buildup of fat in the liver and other tissue. So, if you want to make sure that you're getting all the vitamins you need to build muscle, I recommend that you take a multivitamin containing all the vitamins I mentioned in this video. And if you want to accelerate your muscle building with us, click the link below. We have programs that can help you gain 10 pounds of muscle in just 6 weeks. Our programs include a full workout plan, a diet plan, a recipe book, and a coach to guide you through the whole process. With our program, you'll get a customized diet plan based on your preferences, whether you like to eat chicken, beef, fish, or plant-based meals. And you'll also get a coach to answer any questions you have and to make sure you stay on track. So if you're ready to stop ruining your body and start fixing it, click the link below and let's get started.